So here's our July loaf dough this morning. Looks wonderful. It's cold. I'm not going to disturb it too much. I'm just going to cut it in half and we'll make some loaves out of it. 753, so it looks like they can both be about 750. 752. Okay, we're good with that. So approximately 750 grams. Now the dough's cold, so it won't be too difficult to shape, and it's nice and full of bubbles, so we're going to be handling it gently. I'm going to be putting it in my couche this morning, and I'll be staggering the shaping so they're both not ready at the same time to bake when I can only bake one at a time. I'm going to make this the first shaping. Very nice and full of bubbles. Okay, this is going to be our first shape. This one will shape a little bit differently. Ooh, so nice and full of bubbles. Look at those nice bubbles. Okay, we've got 2 loaves shaped. And I shaped them both differently. You can see this one's a little fatter than this one. So I'll be back in 20 minutes to shape the first loaf.